Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your sunroof in the 2022 Kia Forte. I have in front of me here an EX Plus in Gravity Gray. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, the button for the sunroof is up in the ceiling here, right in the center between the light buttons. The shade itself is manual, so you can move that on your own, but if I were to pull the button to the back of the car, it will start to move the shade for you and pull it back. Doesn't quite go all the way, but you can keep opening it. If we want to close the window now, we go ahead and push the button to the front of the vehicle, and the sunroof is now fully closed. If you wanted to tilt the back of the sunroof, push and hold the button up, and it tilts the back to allow some fresh air in without letting all the elements in. And if you push it back forward again from that position, it will go ahead and close. I'm gonna go ahead and open it again. If we were to turn the car off and you go to leave, it's gonna ping on there just to let us know that the sunroof is still open. Even if you didn't fully close it and it was only open like just a little bit, it is gonna let you know on there so that you can fully close it, because we don't want anything in there that you don't want. And that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and please consider subscribing if you're enjoying our content. Also, all of our social media links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.